Alright, this was a firstborn. His nickname is Fatty because he's huge. He's the most playful and hyper, but he still loves to snuggle. Come on, buddy, show him how cute you are. Yeah, he loves to play and chase. And he loves to give you kisses when you pick him up. And they're in that teething stage right now. Come on. Oh, and they've been picked up and held like a bazillion times a day to where they're so used to it now they just fall asleep. There's his brother. Which one is this? This one's nickname is Big Head. I think he was like number 3 or something. Hey, Big Head. Hey. They like turn off as soon as you pick them up. Isn't that right? Oh yeah, you're a sweetheart. See, and they always want to be on your lap. So if you want to adopt one, just let us know. They're ready to go soon. In about a week, they'll be ready to go. Go get them. We've been socialized with their daddy. With lots of other people, and little kids and stuff. There's his brother over there. He's a big head. Come on, chumps. Good boy. Oh, hello. It's like you've never seen me before. You have to give you kisses and snuggles. They still love to play. Isn't that right?